At India Investment Forum in New York, Times Now spoke to Joseph Garofoli from ROC Global Holding LLC, who tells us his expectations from the Modi government as far as Indo-US investment relations are concerned. On the sidelines of the India Investment Forum, we are speaking to people who are looking at prospectively investing in India. I'm joined by Mr. Joseph Garofoli of ROC Global Holdings LLC. Mr. Garofoli, how do you see Indo-US investment relations really going forward from here? Is there bullishness in the way America is looking at India, or are there still some stumbling blocks which you need resolved?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of bullishness at the present time, but I think there are some things that can be done to make and attract more investment into India, especially investors that do private equity and public equity investments. And a lot of people know about the big companies, the Reliances and the Tatas, and are invested there. But to get the capital to the next level of companies, mid-caps, I think investors have to get more comfort on issues like corporate governance and the way Indian companies treat minority investors and foreign investors.
There were issues with international companies regarding the tax. I mean, the Vodafone case has come up in big headlines. Are these issues that you think are big worries for US investors, or do you think with the Modi government in place and promising the red carpet for investors, these will be resolved sooner than later?
Yeah, I think they are interested. They are feeling more comfortable, but they need to see that when there is something like a Vodafone or a Walmart, that they that they're treated right, that they're treated on world standards, not just how things were done in the past.
The fact that Indian ministers were supposed to attend this forum and the fact that they haven't really turned up, is that a bit of a disappointment?
A little bit. Many things change. People are very busy, but I think India needs to send a message to the world that they're open for investment, and again on the right, fair standards. So I think that message needs to come from people from the top, and it would be good to have someone like that here to spread that message.
The fact that Narendra Modi is going to actually inaugurate something like a Make in India kind of concept, where he expects India to become the manufacturing hub and countries like yours to come and invest in India. Do you think that's something that can turn into a reality in the near future?
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. I work with some Indian companies that make world-class products. And I think Made in India would be. I've traveled to India with my family, and I think there's a lot of opportunity for the Made in India brand to have a place in the world.
The biggest issue that the Modi government still needs to address, what's that?
Infrastructure and openness to foreign investors, foreign capital. I think those things actually can go hand in hand. You need the capital to improve the infrastructure. If there's limitations on capital in India, then make it easier for people to bring capital in and out of the country.